Hello people, welcome back to the next session of the tutorial wherein I'm going to teach you all the working of computers on the depicted working of computer. Okay, how is the computer work? It's going to accept the data from the user. It will process it to give you the required information where wanted, when wanted, and how. Okay, maybe when I use these terminologies, data, process, information, probably it becomes difficult for us to understand what does this mean in how the computer works. Okay, let me take an example. Okay, the simplest of an example, what I can quote for now is, suppose I want to know what is 2 plus 2. You're going to do, you will key in 2 plus 2 to feed 2 plus 2 the computer. What the computer is going to do next, it will take the data, take whatever you have entered, and it is going to perform an arithmetic operation, in particularly the addition of numbers. Of course, this is going to be carried out inside the computer. And after performing the task successfully, it is going to the result, and this result is nothing but. So I guess I'm clear with these terminology. Data is what you enter or what you give to the process is nothing but the manipulation that happens on the data inside the computer. And after manipulating whatever the result the computer is going to give. I just have a one-line definition depicted on the screen. You can see that data is nothing but it is a collection of facts and figures. Process is nothing but a manipulation of. And finally, we have something as information, which is nothing but the processed. Okay, this is how the computer. Moving on to next, we have something called as characteristics of computer. Want to get into computer, what the computer better as compared. Try to compare the human being, the computer with, and we'll try to understand how the computer are more than the human being, or what are the different of the, or what will be listed out. To begin with, we have something called as speed. What does this mean? It, the word itself narrates the whole story. It's that computers are much fast. Computers are much more fast than the human. What does this word mean? Accuracy. Let's say I give the same calculation different uh, people. No, not different people. One I'll give it to the teacher and the other one to the. And in case if you get two different results, you will definitely be the computer result, not the human. Because you say, ma'am, computers don't make any mistakes. They are accurate. Word accurate. What's next? Delegate. Now, suppose I assign you all some task and it needs some time to. Maybe after some time you start with the task, and after some time you tend to get tired and you need a break. And in case if I say, no, I'm not going to give you a break, you are supposed to complete the task and get up. Quite obvious that you're going to be tired. But that's not what happened with the make the computer work 24 bar 7, capable of doing the tasks successfully without any without any, and that quality delicate. Next, what we have in the list is versatility. What does this mean? Okay, we usually tend to say Shahrukh Khan is a versatile actor. Versatile actor. What does this mean? Capable of doing anything into. That's what we are trying to versatility mean. The computer can perform any task, any different types of tasks without complaining that I'm not educated, capable of. That is what I mean by versatility. Power of remembering. Okay, actually, what happens is say something and maybe after some time tend to forget. That's not something that you store inside the computer will remain as long as it's going to remain forever. That's what you call it as. I have one more interesting feature called as no feature, in the sense that emotion has no has no brain. It's a machine, right? It do any task, any type of task, any number of without any complaint capable of. Okay, these are some of the characteristics that I have listed out for you all, and it's been titled as character compute.